morning. I am Dr. Guna Singh, Dean and Principal and Professor of Pediatrics, Arunai Medical College. I am here to talk to you about the benefits of time-restricted eating, otherwise called intermittent fasting. I think intermittent fasting can do lot of benefits, including weight loss and other benefits like cardiac health and even control diabetes, and even it can reduce your gastroesophageal reflux, ulcer. It can give good sleep, and you will be more energetic. Here I am going to introduce Dr. Sendil Kumar. He is our orthopedic surgeon. I think previously about 6 months or 1 year back he was having around 107 kilos, and he has lost nearly 20 kilos. Now he is weighing around 87, and he has lost a lot of belly fat also. We will ask him about how he lost the weight, how he feels about it. Sir, morning sir. So you have lost so much of weight. Suddenly I thought the other people should get benefited by your experience.
Sir, the last 6 months back, I was weighing around 105 to 107 kgs. 2 years back, I had symptoms, abdomen pain, worry. So I went for consultation, and I was diagnosed as fatty liver, the non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH. So they advised me for weight reduction, but I tried all sorts, but I was not able to continue. Initially, 1 week on the shift, I was not able to because of lifestyle. I used to go for OPD, post OPD, get 10:30, 11 hours at night. After that, I'll go have my dinner. Even 1 o'clock, I had a heavy meal. But I don't know the So I've changed all this thanks to Dr. Guna. Or ideas, I started trying actually. Actually, motivation my wife. Actually, she only started. Actually, I also started. So, main what I follow and what we follow is post 7 o'clock. I will not take any sort of food. At night, post 7 o'clock, I stop eating. Any sort of food I will not take. Only water. I will have copious amount of water. Even morning, I will try to push my breakfast time as far as possible. 10:30, 11 o'clock, I will have my first.
So he is almost 16 hours fasting. It's almost like a circadian rhythm fasting. Okay, during sleep, nothing. Okay, sunset to sunrise like that. So he has.
In the window period, I will have my normal diet. Normal. Because I have short time period, I used to have a lot of the junk foods, mixture.
So he stopped eating junk foods.
Because the time window control, I wanted to have something very healthy. Junk the craving. Initially, it was tough for 1 week, 10 days.
So he has full control of appetite. That is the most important thing about the time restricted eating or intermittent fasting. So initially you may have some sort of craving, then you can have full control of your appetite. Any ulcer problem because of
I had a GRT initially. After the late night restless sleep, unhappy feel.
So they reflects everything much better. Is managed well without any drug. He is completely cured. I am also completely cured of my reflex. I was eating nearly 20 years omeprazole. Now no.
And good thing is LFT values are low drop. Almost 90, 80
fatty liver.
It's a compound.
Fatty liver also is come down.
Values are normal. 38, 34, life weight. 10th, 11th, I was weighing around 85, 90. I was obese. I want to reduce even more. 80 I not target.
I'm trying it. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் யூ சார்